Welcome, my dear student. Now today we will discuss about the resistance. In my previous class we have been discussed Ohm's law. On the basis of Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Any applied potential difference is equal to current flowing in the circuit into resistance R. So today, in view of Ohm's law, we will discuss resistance. According to this formula, V is equal to IR. Resistance R is equal to V by I. According to Ohm's law, resistance is equal to potential difference divided by current. What exactly happened? That I am going to discuss you. When the potential difference is applied across a conductor, the electrons started moving, but electrons are not entirely free to move, as they have also attracted by atoms or ions through which they move. The motion of electron is hindered or obstructed by the presence of ion and atoms of the conductors. So the resistance of a conductor is hindrance or obstruction provided by the conducting material during the flow of current or the flow of charge. Resistance is denoted by R and SI unit is ohm. Now the question arises, what is 1 ohm, or define 1 ohm? The resistance of conductor will be 1 ohm if the potential difference applied across the ends of conductor is 1 volt across the end of conductors. When 1 ampere current passes through it, that will be equal to, then the resistance will be equal to 1 ohm. Now, what are the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends upon? What are the factors affect the resistance of a conductor? So there are certain factors which affect the resistance of a conductor. First of all, the first law which affects the resistance of a conductor is known as the law of length. The law of length. Any resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor or the length of the wire. Second law, the law of area, which is known as the law of area. According to this, the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. When a resistance is inversely proportional, if area of cross section of a conductor is increased, the resistance will be less, and if it is decreases, the resistance will be more. In addition to, resistance of a conductor has dependency on temperature. Temperature is increased, the resistance will increase. In addition to, it is also depend upon the nature of the material through which it passes. Nature of the conducting material. These are the 4 factors which affect the resistance of a conductor. Okay.